Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pancit Mickey gisado. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need water, pancit Mickey, and then black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cabbage, or repolyo, and then the pork. Para subak ni guys ha, I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper, and then Baguio beans, and then carrots, garlic, onions, and then bell pepper. So we need pork cubes guys. If we need it, if it is not salty yet, we need. I'm gonna try to cook the meat first. Para sa subak. I-set aside or not. So ito all gonna ang subak. Okay guys, ato na nilutoon for how many minutes? So the pork, ang atong para subak sa pancit Mickey, naluto na. So ato sang kwaon and set aside. Okay guys, so ato sa ni i-set aside. Unya karon, ato nang gisaon. Okay, so the garlic. The onions, and the Baguio beans. Pepper. Soy sauce. Okay, pork cubes. Okay guys, and then cover this one, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's already boiled. Over. Mickey guys. 1 kilo Mickey guys. And the next, oyster sauce guys. And now it's time to add the cabbage or repolyo. First, and then we'll be right back. What makuha ha? Okay guys, so okay. It's cooked already. So now, it's time to put ang subak niya guys. Daghan kay subak guys. Ang sarap. Okay guys, so this is our Pancit Mickey Gisado. It's done. Look at that one. It's super yummy, guys. Tasting time. Okay, it's super hot. Yummy. Sakto ra gyud siya sa timpla, guys. Okay, so no need to add salt or whatever. Okay, guys, so that's our Pancit Mickey Gisado is done. Thank you for watching, and will you please hit like, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.